You've seen this device before, but this particular model is somewhat rare. This is not a review, just an unboxing and a demonstration.
Welcome to the channel. This is Technoscope.
This is not the famous bat knife, this is Stanley. But Batman had a friend named Stanley, right? I don't know, maybe not. Today is Cinco de Mayo 2015. This box arrived a day early yesterday, all the way from Taiwan. So what's in it? Let's find out. Don't need that. Don't need that either. Don't need any of this. Don't need that. Ah, there it is. Yes. Box is a different color, but what is that? That says Corsair Gaming. Is this? Yes, it is. It's a Corsair Gaming keyboard K95, but not just any K95. It's the K95 RGB. But it's not just any K95 RGB. Let me show you. I don't have a slider, so I'll do this by hand. And we're sliding, and we're sliding, and we're sliding. What is that? What is that? That is an RGB blue switch. A 16.8 million color RGB blue switch by Cherry MX on the Corsair K95. This keyboard is so rare you cannot buy it on Amazon or in any store. This keyboard is sold exclusively through Corsair, and the only way to know when they're selling it is to follow their Facebook page. So here's some more information. The bottom panel. And here's the back panel. Once again, I do not have a slider, so I'm doing this by hand. And to give you a better look, here are some photos taken with my cell phone. I don't even have a table to do this unboxing on, so the floor had to do. It's the return of Stanley. So let's open her up. Obviously, the first thing you'll see is the keyboard. With the packing out of the way, you can see that large braided USB cable. Let's put this to the side for a moment and unpack the rest of the box. In this pocket you have the user guide and the warranty information. And finally, we have the keyboard's wrist rest. I've never seen one with screws before, but apparently this one comes with them. I find it a bit odd that one screw is attached to the wrist rest, but the other is just freely sitting in the bag. But I think this may be by design. Welcome back, Stanley. He's just making a cameo. As you can see, I have pulled the keyboard from the plastic, and now you can bask in all of its glory. Now, I was going to use my Tascam DR40 to record the way the keys sound. Unfortunately, while I was doing this, I forgot to turn off external mic and turn on internal mic mode, so I didn't really capture anything. But don't worry, I set up the microphone and camera in front of my desk and captured the audio there. I typed "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" twice. The keyboard is a real joy to type on, and very, very reminiscent of the keyboards that I used to own. I love the backlit keys. They're perfect for when I'm typing in the dark. Of course, I don't normally need backlights, but occasionally I use it for the special characters and when other people are using my computer. So these pictures here are just basically the keyboard at my desk, giving you a visual of what it looks like in the wave mode. I have not programmed any other color modes, but it's a great keyboard and I think I'm going to love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Elemental for Technoscope.
Technoscope is a Twisted Curve production.